Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad map sensor and it's time to replace it? Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0069 Manifold absolute pressure, barometric pressure correlation. And I'm going to tell you guys the symptoms and how do you know it is time to replace it. The purpose of the map sensor is to calculate the amount of pressure inside the intake manifold. By calculating the amount of pressure inside the manifold, it can be used for ignition timing, and also the computer will know how much fuel should be sprayed inside the engine. To locate the map sensor, it is going to be located directly on the throttle body, or it is mounted directly on the intake manifold, or it can be mounted on the firewall, and there's going to be a vacuum hose connecting the map sensor to the intake manifold. What are the signs of a bad map sensor? And the first sign you're going to notice is going to be when you accelerate, you're going to notice the vehicle might hesitate to go, and you might also notice the vehicle might also jerk when stepping on the gas pedal. The next sign, it is going to be an engine misfire. If you notice the engine is misfiring and you can't find out what the problem is, the answer might be that you might have a bad map sensor, because if that map sensor is bad, it can affect air fuel ratio. Therefore, it can actually cause an engine misfire. The next sign is going to be poor gas mileage. Again, when air and fuel ratio is affected, can actually affect gas mileage. The next sign is going to be backfire. If fuel is not properly burned inside the combustion chamber caused by a bad map sensor, the excess fuel can actually end up in the exhaust system. And since the exhaust system is extremely hot, fuel can actually ignite in the exhaust system and cause a backfire. The next sign is going to be reduced power. If you notice the engine is running poorly and you're getting codes such as P0069, that could be a sign that map sensor might be bad. The next sign, it is going to be strange smell coming from the tailpipe. If you notice an odd smell coming out of the tailpipe after the engine has been running for a few minutes, that could be a sign that the air and fuel ratio is being affected, caused by a bad map sensor. What causes the map sensor to fail? And there are a few reasons. Number one is going to be bad wires or connection. Number two is broken vacuum lines. Number three is maybe the seal is bad on the map sensor. Number four is maybe the map sensor is faulty. And number five is maybe that map sensor is clogged, caused by dirt, engine oil, or carbon deposit. Before replacing the map sensor, you should try to clean the map sensor, because the map sensor on the inside can become gummed up, again caused by dirt, engine oil, carbon deposit, and so on. So all you gotta do is remove that map sensor and use carburetor cleaner and clean on the inside of the map sensor, and hopefully that will fix the issue. So those are the symptoms of a bad map sensor, and that's how you fix P0069 code. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.